Hello! Today we will talk about restaurant layout. The restaurant layout should be designed in a way for customers to easily find their way around without getting lost, and also for staff to work without getting in each other's ways. FOH stands for front of house. This is the area in the front where guests dine and waiters interact with guests. Let's start with the reception. This is the area that guests see first when they walk into the restaurant. It should be clean and attract customers as it gives off the first impression of the restaurant. The dining area is where the tables are and where the guests sit and eat. The cash up area is where the point of sale system is usually installed. Most restaurants have two separate computers so that waiters have more space and don't get in each other's ways. There can also be a cash up area at the entrance for guests to pay their bills as they walk out. The bar is where drinks are made. Some restaurants use it as a focal point with a pretty display of alcohol, glasses and decoration. The types of staff for front of house are runners, servers, waiters, bartenders, hostesses, restaurant managers and operators. BOH stands for back of house. It is any area that is hidden from guests, like the kitchen, offices, storage rooms, and bathrooms. If a restaurant is a show, then the back of house would be the backstage area. Let's go into the kitchen first. This is the central demand area where the food gets ordered, prepped, cooked, and plated before getting served. Bars is the most important area of the kitchen. It is the heated flat surface where dishes are plated and picked up by waiters. Of users for back of house are cleaners, dishwashers, kitchen staff, chefs and cooks, and kitchen managers.